I'm a flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'm a flirt. Winking eyes at me when I roll up on them dubs, I'm a flirt. Sometimes.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Sanaa Diamond C, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on so you don't miss anything that I post, and last but not least, be part of Diamond Squad. I'm so sorry for the noise that's going on outside. Like, these people are really like irritating me right now. Like, why y'all so loud? But I'm gonna try to talk over them. So today, I wasn't gonna do a mukbang today. I was actually going to do a review on the Milani foundation and the another palette tag, but since my Milani foundation didn't come yet and it's coming tomorrow, I decided why not do a mukbang since somebody asked me to do a mukbang. So I was just like, why not I just do one. So I have here is plantain with some chicken. This is the chicken. The chicken like kind of like fried a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna be eating. I can't really like set my phone up somewhere where y'all could like see the food while I'm eating it. So yeah. And then I also got my soda here. I got the crushed pineapple soda right there. And I'm also waiting for like my computer to connect to the internet because I'm also going to be doing the another palette tag. So yeah, alright guys, so before I get started eating, if you don't have anything with you, make sure you go and get yourself some food to eat. And these motherfuckers always screaming for nonsense, like shut up. But yeah, as I'm eating, I'm going to be answering these questions for the another palette tag. So I'm just going to go into my plantains. Now, the only reason I haven't been doing mukbangs as much is because I actually wanted to do like McDonald's mukbang or not Donald Pizza or Papa John Pizza mukbang, but I will always spend my money on other things. And I know you don't need to necessarily put you don't necessarily need to have like fast food restaurant stuff for your mukbang. You can literally like cook a home cooked meal, a big home cooked meal, and do that as a mukbang. I know that. I did have like a couple of big home cooked meals, and I just didn't want to do a mukbang. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been doing mukbangs a lot. She indeed needs help. Outrageous. Oh, by the way, all I ate was a cupcake today, like plus this I'm eating now. Like, all I ate was a cupcake today that my teacher made and gave to the class. I didn't eat no breakfast this morning. Because for some reason when I eat breakfast this morning, when I eat breakfast like in the morning time, it just does not go with me. Like my stomach and I'm hurting. So I'm just like, no. This chicken tastes so good with these plantains. Like, I never used to eat this type of chicken with plantains. I don't know what type of chicken this is, so I can't really tell y'all. But I never used to eat this with plantains, but it's good. Oh, they finally left. Thank God. I'm gonna get started with the questions now, cause I don't want y'all to just watch me eating and I not say nothing, cause this is not like an ASMR video where people don't say nothing and then it's just them eating. I'm not doing that. Don't even ask me to do an ASMR video because no. Alright, so first question is, what was your first palette? I honestly don't know what was my first palette. I feel like my iCarly one was my first palette for when I was younger, but I could be wrong. I had like so many kid eyeshadow palettes when I was younger, so I honestly don't know what was my first eyeshadow palette. But yeah, I really don't know. So next question, what was your most recently purchased palette? Now, I don't have the palette with me like at this moment, but it's coming tomorrow. Like, I really wanted like to do this today to show you guys the palette that I recently bought, but it's coming tomorrow. But I'm still tell you guys what was the palette I recently purchased. Y'all just want to like see me like holding or anything like that. So the palette I recently purchased was the After Party palette from Shop Hush. I still need to get the Aftershock one. The Aftershock one be selling out so quickly, and it be taking so long to get back in stock. Like, I just don't understand that. So I guess this is like going away, like kind of taking a break from makeup videos for today. Cause I did realize that you guys like mukbangs, but I didn't know you guys liked it that much. So that's why I didn't really like care to do another one. But yeah, for today I'm just gonna do this mukbang along with this tag, and I'm going to do a reaction video later on, and then tomorrow I'm gonna post the second St. Patrick's Day look that I did, and yeah. I think after this, if I'm not too full, I'm gonna get some ice cream because I'm in the mood for ice cream. So, alright, next question. What palette makes you happy to look at? I'm about to get into that in a second because I'm gonna show you guys the palette. Oh no, that's not the third question. I told you to skip the third question. The third question is, what palette do you regret missing out on? As far as like not only eyeshadow palette, but like the most palette I regret missing out on was a highlight palette, which was the ABH Nicole G highlight palette. Like, I wish they still had those because like I wanted one. But eyeshadow palette, I don't know. Like, there's not a lot of palettes that I'd be like really paying attention to. I guess that teddy bear eyeshadow palette, I don't even know they still sell that, but I know that shit is expensive. Of course, if you're working, it's not a problem to you, but I'm not working, so it's expensive to me. By the way, I put sugar on these because it tastes good with sugar. You know, because sometimes, even though it's sweet plantain, it doesn't really it's not really like sweet enough for me, so I just put some more sugar. I'm so sorry about the lighting, by the way, guys. It's like so freaking sunny. Like the sun's going up and down. It's keep coming back and forth, messing up my lighting. I'm gonna get into the next question soon, guys, but I need to enjoy my food, okay? So, for number 4, what palette makes you happy to look at? I would. Oh my goodness, hair in my face. I would probably say this one, the Aphrodite palette. I don't know. I guess this is a palette that makes me happy to look at, but yeah, the Aphrodite palette. I'm gonna put my food right here because I don't want the makeup product going in my food. So that's the Aphrodite product from Shop Hush. So I guess that one makes me happy to look at. Next question, what palette have you changed your mind about? Now that one, hang on. The palette that I had changed my mind about was, if I could just go, this e.l.f. palette. It's like a set. It has eyeshadows and it has blush in there. The only thing I don't like about this palette is their eyeshadows. Like, I changed my mind about that eyeshadow completely. Like, doesn't have a lot of pigment. So yeah. Number 6, what palette has surprised you? The palette that has surprised me was this sugar palette from Shop Hush. Love the sugar palette. So pretty. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna answer the rest of the questions after I'm done eating this. So yeah. I think I bit my tongue, like the side of my tongue, and I bit into that, like. Alright, so I have 3 more questions left. And yeah. Y'all better be eating with me. If you're not eating and y'all just watching me. Next thing I know, y'all gonna be saying, oh my god, I'm hungry. There's hair all up in my face. This part of the chicken is hard. Like, some of it is hard and some of it is not. But I have food right there on my face. Oh, and by the way, guys, if y'all want me to do another mukbang, give this video 20 likes. 20 likes and I'll do another mukbang. I'm dragging it. I'm not dragging it, guys. Like, I legit could even make it to like 30, 40 likes. Like, one of my videos made it to 100 likes. So this video could definitely make it to 20 likes. So I'll lower it down. 15 to 20 likes. If it gets 15 to 20 likes, I'll do another mukbang for you guys. Since you guys love that. I might just go get some milk because, like, I am hungry still. If you guys had this right now, it's bomb. But I'm all done on my plate. I didn't have that many on my plate. So I would get more, but I'm gonna be too full and I don't like when I'm too full. So yeah, I'm just gonna like drink this and get some ice cream. Oh my god, the song was just like, hello, I'm back, bitch. But anyways, I'm gonna go and get some ice cream and then I'm gonna answer the rest of the question. Alright, I got my M&M ice cream. My head looking crazy. Oh my god. And I know it's basically still winter and you're probably like, why you having ice cream in the winter time? I honestly don't care. If I want ice cream, I want ice cream. You know, I don't care if it's winter. But I'm about to open this. I hate when this happens, when like a piece of it gets stuck in here. Like, just try to put the piece back together. It literally like fell apart. What the heck? Wow. Guess I'm gonna eat this first. Nicole. And by the way, this got chocolate inside the cone too. That's why I like it a lot. I still can't believe it broke. Like, look at that. Alright. Next question. What palette inspires you the most? Inspires you most? I guess this palette right here inspires me the most. The Saraha. I don't know what to fucking say that. But these have some pretty nice shades, and I guess that palette inspires me. I don't really know, but yeah. Next question. What palettes on your wish list? I have so many palettes on my wish list, guys. Like, I'm gonna name one of them from my Shop Hush, because I have like so many palettes there that is on my wish list. But one of the palettes that's on my wish list is called the Milkshake palette, which I believe is a dupe for the Laura Lee cat pajama palette. Let me like eat this before it melts. Like, oh my god, what the heck happened to the lighting? The lighting keep acting weird because of the freaking sun. So like, if y'all see the lighting is like going from light to dark, that's the freaking sun that's messing with my lighting. And last question, what is your no fail palette? Alright, so my no fail palette is my Morphe 35U palette. This is the shimmer palette. It's like this. That's my no fail palette. And that's the last question of the tag. So I don't want to like keep this video too long. I'm really starting to get full. Like, I didn't even eat that much, and I'm starting to get full. Just trying to fix this lighting, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna just finish off this ice cream and go record my reaction video so I can post later on for you guys. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't. Follow me on my social medias, it's in the description box down below. And if you want to do collaboration with me, you can. And also, if you want to send me anything for my birthday, like I was saying in the other video, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll tell you what to do. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in this video. Bye, guys.
Believe me, get beat, cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me. Hey, 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 take the top.